Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of joining server on the application of X Twitter app. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about X Twitter and you will click here. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache and here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of X Twitter and here you can update your app as you see in this blue sign. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your